It's about time that I replace the smoke alarm upstairs, and I'm going to be using a First Alert hardwired smoke alarm to do that. I picked First Alert because of its reputation, because of all of the good remarks that it had, and because First Alert is a brand that has been around for a very, very long time. You have a huge number of positive remarks online, and it is an extremely well-known company in both the smoke alarm and CO2 alarm. This happens to be a combination smoke alarm and CO2 alarm, so I get a twofer with it. Okay, first we got to get the old one out of here. Then we got to install the new plate, and finally the new smoke alarm. Just pull this out. Just pull this. It's not pulling out. So to pull out the plastic tab, what you do is you push that. Plastic tab comes out, put it back, and nothing's happening.
Hold the button.
And it's good to go.